One day, we were sitting and watching the Barbie movie. And I told Ben, let's go to Miami. He instantly, all excited, said, of course. Why not, let's go. So I quickly bought the tickets online. We went to our room and started packing our travel clothes, especially for the Miami Beach vibe. Then my dear Ben took care of putting the suitcases in the car, and we headed to the airport. When we arrived, we were so happy walking toward the entrance. They checked our tickets, and we went inside. As we were about to board the plane, we started taking selfies. And once we got in, since we were starving, we had our meal right away. Finally, we arrived in beautiful, charming, and warm Miami. We went to the hotel. And together with Ben, we unpacked and organized our clothes. While doing that, we ended up lying down, taking a short nap, and resting a bit. We took some photos too. Let's go. We sat by the beach, had some drinks, chatted, and then went into the crowd, started dancing, and had an amazing time together. And in the end, I have to thank Ben for planning this trip in the best way possible. Ben, I love you. Thank you for always being by my side.